Hello students, happy to see you again. Last episode we have seen in example 5.1, that is how to find out the area of the triangle, how to prove the given points are collinear, and how to find out the variable value in the area of the triangles. Okay. Exercise 5.1 Roman letter 2, determine whether the sets of points are collinear. We have to find out the points are collinear. What is the concept we have studied in the example problem? See, when these 3 points are lie on the same line, these 3 points are collinear. Okay. So, these 3 points are collinear means it will not form a triangle, that is area of a triangle is equal to 0. So, what is the formula we studied? Area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is equal to area of the triangle of into x1 y2 x2 y3 x3 y1 minus x2 y1 x3 y2 x1 y3 square units. Do not think that it is a big formula, how to remember. See, this is easy way. See, first we are writing x1, x2, x3. Here similarly y1, y2, y3. After x1 what you will get? y2. x2 means here y3. x3. See, y is not x4 because we have only 3 coordinates here. So, after y3 you are writing y1. Similarly, here y1 means what is next? x2. y2 means what is next? x3. y3 afterwards what you will get? x1, because we have only 3 coordinates, so we are writing x1. So, this is the easy way to remember the formula. Now, we have to substitute the points in the formula. So, area of the triangle, easy way of substituting the values of, that is x1 value, we are taking these points as A, B, C, that is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. Now, I am substituting the values in the formula. x1 value, y1 value, x2 value, y2 value, x3 value, y3 value. Again we are writing the x1 value, y1 value. Now, minus of into 6, top to bottom we are multiplying, or minus of into 6, minus 3, minus 5 into 8, minus 40, minus 8 into 3, minus 24, minus bottom to top. Now, 3 into minus 5, minus 15, 6 into minus 8, 48, 8 into of minus 4. Now, we are adding the terms, minus 3, minus 40, minus 43, minus 43, minus 24, minus 67, minus 15, minus 48, minus 4 we are getting minus 67. See, minus 67, minus of minus multiply you get plus 67, off into 0. See, now you have got area of the triangle is equal to 0. Therefore, the given points are collinear. Now, we are going to find out the area of the quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is nothing but a closed figure with 4 sides. Okay. Now, we are going to find out the area of the quadrilateral. What is the formula? Area of a quadrilateral is of into x1 y2, x2 y3, x3 y4, x4 y1 minus x2 y1, x3 y2, x4 y3, x1 y4 square units. I already told you easy way of remembering x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay. What is next to x1? y2, after x2 next y3, after x3 next y4. See, we have only 4 coordinates. So, after x4 we are getting again y1. Then y1, after what you will get x2, after y2 we will get x3, after y3 we are writing x4, after y4 we have only 4 coordinates. So, we are again writing x1. So, this is the easy way of remembering the formula. Now, we are moving to the sum. So, what is the question here? Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are at minus 9, minus 2, minus 8, minus 4, 2, 2 and 1, minus 3. See, what we have to do to find out the area? First, we have to plot the points in the rough graph. See, minus 9, minus 2, so will lie here. Then minus 8, minus 4, it will lie here. Then 2, 2, then 1, minus c, that is x value is positive, y value is negative. So, it will lie here 1, minus 3. We just joining the lines. We have to take the points in anti-clockwise direction, that is anti-clockwise order, otherwise we will get the area in negative sign. So, we are taking this as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. What is the point of A here? Minus 9, minus 2, base minus 8, minus 4, C is 1, minus 3, D is 2, 2. Now, we are substituting the value in the formula, easy of calculation. Substituting the value, we are taking this as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, x1 value minus 9, y1 value minus 2, x2 value minus 8, y2 value minus 4, x3 value 1, y3 value minus 3, x4 value 2, y4 value 2. Again we have to write the x1 value, y1 value. This is similar to area of the triangle. Now, top to bottom we are multiplying. Minus 9 into minus 4 plus 36, 8 3s are plus 24, 1 into 2, 2, 2 2s are minus 4, minus 8 2s are bottom to top, 8 2s are 16, minus 4, minus 6, minus 18. Now, 36 plus 24, 60, 60 plus 2, 62, 62 minus 4, 58, minus 16, minus 4, minus 6, minus 10, minus 18, minus 28, minus 28 plus 16, minus 12 will get. Minus of minus will become plus 12, of into 58 plus 12 will get 70, 70 divided by 2 will get 35. Therefore, the area of the quadrilateral is equal to, therefore, the area of the quadrilateral equal to 35 square units. See here, sixth problem, find the value of k if the area of the quadrilateral is 28 square units whose vertices are minus 4, minus 2, minus 3, k, 3, minus 2 and 2, 3. See, in this case they have given the vertices with the variable. The points are taken in order. See, we cannot plot these points, we need not point the points. Why? Because k we do not know the variable value, whether it is positive or negative, we do not know the value. Now, we are going to find out the value of k. See, what is the formula we are going to use here? Area of the quadrilateral. Okay, we are going to substitute the values in the formula. First we are taking these values as a minus 4 comma minus 2, b minus 3 comma k, c 3 comma minus 2, d 2 comma 3. See, area of the quadrilateral is given here, area of quadrilateral equal to 28 square units. Now, we have to substitute the value in the formula. Easy way, x1 value, y1 value, x2 value, y2 value, x3 value, y3 value, again x4 value, y4 value, again we are writing the x1 value, y1 value. See, what is given here? 28 square, that is area of the quadrilateral, minus 4 into k, minus 4k, 3 into 2 plus 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, bottom to top, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6, k into 3 plus 3k, minus 2 into plus 2 minus 4, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, 2 into 28 we are getting 56, minus 4k plus 6 plus 9 minus plus 15 minus 4 plus 11 minus 12 minus 4 minus 16, minus 16 plus 6 minus 10 plus 3k minus 4k plus 11, minus of minus will become plus 10, that is we are multiplying the minus inside the bracket, we are getting plus 10 minus 3k minus 7k plus 21. Okay. Now, 56 equal to minus 7k plus 21, we are taking this minus 7 to this side, we are getting plus 7k, we are taking this minus, we are taking this 56 to this side to become negative sign, that is minus 56 plus 21, we are getting minus 35. 7k is equal to minus 35. 7k is equal to minus 35. K is equal to minus 35 divided by 7. We are getting k is equal to minus 5. That is 1 7s are 7, 5 7s are 35. The answer is minus 5. Okay, therefore, k is equal to minus 5. We are going to do the ninth sum. In the figure, the quadrilateral swimming pool shown is surrounded by concrete patio. Find the area of the patio. We have to find out this patio area. Okay, this patio area we have to find out. In lower class we have studied similar type of problem. Do you remember? We have studied in lower classes, find out the area of the rectangle, that is outer rectangle minus inner rectangle, pathway problems. Pathway problems we have studied, no? We find out the pathway by finding out by the area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Okay. Similarly, here in this problem we are finding out the area of the outer quadrilateral. Okay, that is we are going to find out the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, then we are going to find out the area of the quadrilateral EFGH, then we are subtracting, then we are finding the area of the patio. Okay. Now, we have to write the formula in each and every sum. Area of the quadrilateral is equal to half into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y4 plus x4 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x4 y3 plus x1 y4 square units. Okay, we are going to substitute the values. Now, we are going to find out the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, area of quadrilateral coordinates of A, B, C, D. What is the coordinate of A? Minus 4 comma minus 8. Coordinate of B is 8 comma minus 4. Coordinate of C is 6 comma 10, coordinate of D is minus 10 comma 6. Now, we are going to substitute in the formula in easy way of into x 1 value, y 1 value, x 2 value, y 2 value, x 3 value, y 3 value, again x 4 value, y 4 value, again we are writing the x 1 value, y 1 value. Top to bottom we are multiplying. 4 4s are 16, minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16, 8 into 10 80, 6 6 are 36, minus 10 into minus 8 plus 80, minus bottom to top now multiplying, minus 64, minus 8 into 8 minus 64, minus 4 into 6 minus 24, minus 10 into minus plus 10 minus 100, 4 6 into minus 4 minus 24 of into 212 minus 64 minus 24 minus 88 minus 88 minus 100 minus 188 188 minus 24 212, that is minus 212. 212 plus 212 equal to of into 424 divided by 2 is equal to 212 square units. Area of quadrilateral. Now, we are going to find out the area of quadrilateral EFGH. See, coordinate of E minus 3 comma minus 5, F is 6 comma minus 2, G is 3 comma 7, H is minus 6 comma 4. We are substituting in the formula, it is x 1 value, y 1 value, x 2 value, y 2 value, x 3 value, y 3 value, x 4 value, y 4 value. We are substituting in the formula, that is x 1 value is x minus 3, y 1 is minus 5, x 2 is 6, y 2 is minus 2, x 3 is 3, y 3 is 7, x 4 is minus 6, y 4 is 4. Again we are writing the x 1 value, y 1 value of into top to bottom we are multiplying, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, 6 7s are 42, 3 4s are 12, minus 6 into minus 5s are plus 6 plus 30 minus 30 minus 6, 7 6 are minus 42, 4 3s are minus 12 of into 42 plus 6 48, 50 60, 60 plus 30 90 minus 30 minus 6 minus 36 minus 36 plus 42 78, 78 plus 2 minus 2 minus 90, 90 minus of minus will become plus 90 of into 180, 180 divided by 2 we are getting 90 square units. Now, if we find out the area of the quadrilateral ABCD and we entered the area of the quadrilateral EFGH. Now, we have to find out the area of the patio. So, the area of the patio is equal to area of quadrilateral ABCD minus area of quadrilateral EFGH. So 212 minus 90, we are getting 212 minus 90, we are getting 122. Okay, 122 square units. Therefore, the area of the patio is equal to 122 square units. Now, we are going to do the 10th sum. A triangular shaped glass with vertices at A minus 5 comma minus 4, B is 1 comma 6 and C is 7 comma minus 4 has to be painted. If one bucket of paint covers 6 square feet, how many buckets of paint will be required to paint the whole glass if only one coat of paint is applied? What is the given here? It is a triangle shaped glass and 3 coordinates are given. What we have to do? We have to find out the area of the glass, that is we have to find out the area of the triangular glass. First we have to plot the points. A is minus 5 comma minus 4, that is x coordinate also negative, y coordinate also negative. So, minus 5 minus 4 will lie here, minus 5 comma minus 4, that is A. Then B is 1 comma 6, that is 1, x value is positive, y value is also positive, 1 comma 6 will lie here, 1 comma 6, that is B value. Then C is 7 comma minus 4, that is 7 comma minus 4 will lie here, 7 comma minus 4. Okay, this is C. See, to find out the area of the triangle, we have to take the points in anti-clockwise direction. So, we have to take the points like this, that is counterclockwise direction. We are joining the points. So, first point is A, second point C, that is 7 comma minus 4, third point only 1 comma 6. Now, we are going to find out the area of the triangle ACB. Area of triangle formula. What is the formula we have? Of into x1, y2, x2, y3, x3, y1 minus x2, y1, x3, y2, x1, y3 square units. Coordinate of A is minus 5 comma minus 4, C is 7 comma minus 4, B is 1 comma 6. So, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. Now, we are going to substitute the value in the formula. Minus 5, that is x1 value, y1 value, x2 value, y2 value, x3 value, y3 value, again x1 value, y1 value. We are multiplying this, top to bottom we are multiplying. 5 4s are 20, 7 6 are 42, 1 into minus 4 minus bottom to top we are multiplying now. 7 4s are 28 minus 4, 6 5s are minus 30, of into 62 minus 4, 58, 20 plus 42, 62, 62 minus 4, 58 minus 28 minus 4 minus 32, minus 32 minus 30 minus 62 of into 58, minus of minus will become plus 62 of into 58 plus 62, 120 half into 120. 120 divided by 2 will get 60 square units. This is the area of the triangular glass. What is given here? See, 1 bucket of paint covers 6 square feet. Okay. So, it covers 6 square feet. So, we have here 60 square units, that is 60 square feet we have to. So, how many buckets of paint we require now, we have to find out. See, 1 bucket of paint covers 6 square feet. Therefore, number of buckets of paint required to paint the glass, triangular glass, equal to 60 divided by 6 equal to 10 buckets. Okay. I am repeating the sum again. See, triangular shaped glass is given here. So, vertices is also given. Vertices of A is -5, -4, B is 1, 6, C is 7, -4. We are plotting the points in the rough graph. After that, we are taking the points in anti-clockwise, that is counterclockwise direction. Then we are substituting the values in the formula. We are finding the area of the triangle ACB, substituting the values in the formula. Then we are getting the value as 60 square units, that is 60 square feet. Area of the triangular glass is equal to 60 square units. Okay. Now, 1 bucket of paint covers 60 square feet means, so we have 60 square units, that is 60 square feet we have. So, we are dividing the 60 square feet divided by 6, we are getting 10 buckets. So, 10 buckets of paint required to cover the glass. Hope you understood the problem, students. Thank you.